Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Paula Young video. It's a Paula Young video. They had a really good sale going on. I forget what the coupons was. The coupons are constantly changing. Be sure you sign up for their emails. You can also get text messages. I do have some water to sip. I've been a little under the weather with a stomach bug, so just got some water to sip on. But we're going to try this girl on. This is Maya. Now, I've had my eye on Maya for a little bit. Not took her out of the box. I did open her up and peek at the color. I do believe I got flame rooted. So we are going to put this back out of the way here. Now, I get a lot of people on my videos that say, but you have hair. Why do you want to wear wigs? It's a legit question. People wear wigs for different reasons, and I've said before in my videos, whatever your reason is, that's your reason, and it's nobody's business. But last year, if you followed me, I had a lot of hair loss. I didn't lose all my hair, but I lost quite a bit of hair where my hair gotten pretty thin. Not like terrible thin, but thin. And I thought, I'm going to try wigs just to see what happens. Now, my hair loss was due to COVID, so my hair did come back. And it's come back wonky. It's come back very curly in the front and like the same as it was in the back, but very curly in the front. But I still like the ability to just be like, today I want really short hair and I want to be a brunette. Today I like to wear blonde and have something kind of long. Just the fun is, they're fun. Whether, you know, you're doing it for fun or you have a medical reason or you just want to be able to change up your hair whenever you want to change it up, you can do that. And it's as easy as putting on a wig. So this is Maya. Let me show you her numbers here before I open her up. And she is an average cap, of course. She is SF33/24 #4. And no, I've not taken her out. She is pristine in the box. I peeked at the color. And here she is. Ooh. I'm not cutting the tags off, even though I got a feeling I will keep this one. She is in a hairnet. Get the hairnet off. Let's look at the permatease first, and her part. We will mess this part up. Permatease actually does not look too bad, but she is dark rooted, so this looks amazing. Let's go ahead and flip her the other way. Basic Paula Young cap, pretty much the way they always look. Basic front, all machine wefted here. I'm going to go ahead and pull those extenders all the way out to as far as they will go. They will get cut out and spliced in. So, but yeah, there's the cap. Here's the ear tabs. Nice big felt ear tabs. Sometimes they're open, sometimes they're lace. That's very soft. All right, let's give her a shake. I do have my comb, my Jean Renault comb. I hate messing up those parts. How do they get them parted like that anyway? She has some curl. I have had my eye on this one for a while. She has some curl. Okay, I don't know about that tag right there, but we're going to give it a go. This one actually feels roomy. Oh my gosh, I may not have to splice this one. This one feels roomy. That tag in the back, Lord have mercy. Now, I may mess with her parts. Don't know. The ear tabs do have some stays in them. Let's kind of get her tamed down here. Oh, you know what I did not do? I didn't put on my wig grip. That's why it feels funny. That's why she's moving. Oh well. That's my hair there. Get her curl going back there. She's cute. Oh my gosh, that's my hair there. If it looks different, that is my hair. I like her. The light is making that dark root look really dark. I don't think in person it looks so stark. It's just that bright. I have 3 lights shining on me, so I don't think it looks that dramatic in my mirror, but on there it looks like super dramatic as far as how dark that root looks against the red. I don't think it does in person. I'm trying to move, but my drawer's in the way. And this tag, you can't see how the nape's on. There's a tag. If my hair's sticking out, it is. It's because I don't have my wig grip on to hold it up, but it's okay. We're just trying it on. We can fix that. I was wondering why all my little bits and pieces were hanging out. I didn't have my wig grip on. I was so excited to put her on. Yeah, I don't think I will have to splice this one. Now that's better. Find the nape here and pull it down. That tag is irritating. This is about the length of my hair now, and if I curl it, this is what it looks like. That's pretty much the truth. I mean, this is about the length of my natural hair now. But I'm letting the color grow back off. I'm not coloring it again. I've said that before. I go about 5 years with without coloring it. But here's a look at the. And I do leave my widow's peak showing just a little bit in my hairline. That's just the way it is. It grows low. Here is the ear tab is here. So if you have a smaller head than me, you'd be fine. Again, I have a big noggin. I will have all of her stats listed down below. This is not a clearance wig, so she should have all her colors available. I believe at the time of purchase, oh my gosh, what was she? I don't remember. I did get her with a coupon, so after the coupon, she was around $50, so not bad. I think, I want to say she was $69.99 or $79.99. I like it. I may wear her tomorrow. This is Maya. And she doesn't really need anything done to her because she's laying really pretty. The yes, there's permatease. Most Paula Young wigs have permatease. That's just the way it is. Cute. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Just a quick little out of the box Paula Young review or try on. We'll call it a try on. I think the fibers feel really good. I mean, they're soft. The curl, I'm gonna have to look at the video to see the curl pattern in the back, minus the tag. But really cute. I feel a hair right there. Super cute. So if you've had your eye on this one and wanted to know what she looked like, especially on a rounder face, you can do it. Definitely, you can do it. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. Be sure you hit subscribe. I do have a holiday giveaway coming up very, very soon. I'll have it posted probably within the next week or two. So have your subscriptions on, the notification bell, so you won't miss that giveaway. And I'll see you guys on the next one.